All right, here we go. We're back in Sauceman's garage. 2008 Jeep Compass, 2.4 liter. Today we're changing the PCV valve, part number V485. We're doing a full tune-up on this truck. It's got a misfire, so we're going to be doing all that, but it's got 145,000 kilometers on it, and don't think it's ever been tuned up. So some preventative maintenance, we're going to change out the PCV valve. So this is it, and show you where it is. So here we go. So first off, remove the engine cover. This pops off. This is your PCV valve right here. So easiest thing to do is use a 15/16. I found works best. It's just got the plastic. We'll pop that off. Unscrew it quickly. You can see this whole piece here unscrews. Pop that off. Oops. And then we've got this other piece on where we'll pull that off. Get on there, so that's another piece. So it is all plastic. So you gotta be careful not to, I mean, this is the old one. We just need this piece. See how easy this is going to be to get off without, worst case scenario, we're going to have to snap it. Oh, there we go. Break the seal. Pop it off. So take the new one. Easy enough. Pop the hose on. Pop that hose on. Make sure your O-ring is in place. Again, plastic nut, 15/16. Box wrench is the easiest. And again, it's a plastic nut, so barely even snug, but snug. And that's how you replace a PCV valve on the 2.4 liter Jeep Compass, 2008 Compass engine. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.